Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths Online class. I am Karen, your Maths teacher, and today I will be teaching you all the sums based on BODMAS rule. Now, let us know what is BODMAS. BODMAS is the short form of brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let us recall, children. BODMAS is the short form of bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, when and how to use BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule is used when the given sum is having all type of operations. Operations means, children, it should have all type of sums like addition, division, subtraction, and multiplication. In such cases wherein the sum consists of all type of operations, we use BODMAS rule. Now, the given sum is having brackets. Can you see, children? Let us know about brackets first. Such type of bracket we call it as common bracket. This type of bracket you are seeing on the screen, we call it as flower bracket, or we also call it as curl bracket. And the last one, this type of bracket which you are seeing on the screen, we call it as square bracket. Now, when you solve any sum, first and foremost we need to solve the operation in common bracket, then flower bracket, then we'll move on to square bracket. Now, in the given sum, children, there are 3 common brackets. Can you see? Yes, there are 3 common brackets. Let us solve the operations in the common bracket now. Rest all will keep as it is, like square bracket will keep as it is. When you solve the operation in the common bracket, no need to put afterwards. Now, 7 plus 13 is 20. Divided by 5 will keep as it is, and this flower bracket will keep as it is. Divided by 4 also will keep as it is, minus flower bracket also will keep as it is. Now, this common bracket will solve. 7 into 3 is 21, into this common bracket also will solve now. 2 minus 2 is 0. Flower bracket. Now, children, we have solved all the operations in common bracket. Now, next is flower bracket. Here we have only 2 flower brackets, 1 and 2. Let us solve now. 20 divided by 5. If you divide 20 by 5, the answer will be 4. Then divided by 4 will keep as it is, minus this flower bracket also will solve now. The operation in the flower bracket is 21 into 0. 21 into 0 is 0. Any number, if you multiply with 0, the answer will be 0. Now, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Minus 0 will keep as it is. Now, 1 minus 0 is 1. Your answer is 1. Children, in our last sum, we focused much on brackets. Now, children, let us consider one more example here. As you can see here on the screen, the given sum is not having much brackets. Now, how to solve? The given sum is having 2 common brackets. Like I said in my previous sum, we have to solve first the operations in common bracket, then followed by flower bracket and square bracket. Now in this sum we have only common bracket. We will solve them now. Here we have 2 common brackets, 1 and 2. 16 into 3 is 48. Rest all operations will keep as it is. Divided by 6 into 9 minus 2 plus 6 into, now we'll solve this operation now. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now that, children, all the brackets are opened, there are no more brackets here now. Now at this stage, what to do and how to solve the sum? Now, the BODMAS rule itself says and suggests you how to solve the sum. Like, after opening the brackets, next comes division. In the given sum, we have to solve division sums. In the whole sum, we have only one division sum. Let us solve now. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Rest all numbers will keep as it is. Now, after solving division sum, next comes multiplication sum. Here in this sum we have two multiplication sums. Yes, let us solve them now. 8 9s are 72. Minus 2 plus 6 6 are 36. Now, to the right side of the screen I have written a sign rule. Here comes the sign rule. Now, if two same signs are multiplied, the answer will be positive. That means plus. See here, two signs with two same signs, if you multiply, the answer will be plus. Like minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus. If you multiply two different signs, the answer will be minus. Minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. Now, about this sign rule you will be studying in your higher classes in detail. Now, where to use this sign rule? For example, here now after multiplication comes addition. Now we have to solve this sum. Now we cannot leave minus sign because 2 is coming along with minus sign. Now, how to solve such type of sums? We have to use sign rule. We have to multiply the given signs. Minus into plus is minus. After multiplying the signs here, minus into plus is minus. That means we have to subtract the given number. If you subtract in 36, if you subtract 2, the answer will be 34. But we have to put big number sign here. The bigger number is 36 and the sign with 36 is plus. We have to put plus. 72. We'll write as it is. Now we have solved this sum now based on addition. There are no more subtraction sums here. Only addition is there. Let us solve. 72 plus 34 is 106. Children, in this way you have to solve the given sum using BODMAS rule. Children, let us recall once again. BODMAS rule is used when the sum consists of all type of operations. Hope children you understood as to how to simplify the given sum using BODMAS rule and sign rule. Thank you.